My friend Dima works as a plumber in a provincial town. One day, he was called in to see an old man in his 80s who had a clogged riser in his kitchen. Dima arrived at the old man's house, whom everyone called simply Grandpa Grisha. He looked around and realized, it's not good. It is necessary to move the cabinet to get access to the pipes. The cupboard is old, wooden, about 60-70 years old. Dima told me that he almost tore his back while pushing the cabinet away from the wall. When the closet was pushed back, Dima noticed a cardboard box soaked with dampness. Out of curiosity, he and Grandpa Grisha decided to open it. Dima carefully took out the box and put it on the table. And imagine, there were 6 antique glasses inside, and a dark bottle with the inscription, Daniel Buju Grand Champagne, 1940. Grandpa Grisha whistled with delight. It turns out that these glasses were given to him by his parents on his 16th birthday. He thought they were broken long ago. And here's such a surprise after all these years. Well, he and Dima, of course, could not resist, opened this bottle, celebrated the amazing find. Grandpa Grisha began to talk, recalling his youth, and then quietly said, "And all the other glasses I buried in the garden when the war began." Dima jumped up on his chair from the unexpectedness. Probably his grandfather's heart snapped from excitement and drink. We had to call an ambulance. The old man was taken to hospital, but Dima regularly visited his grandfather in the hospital. They became friends. And when the grandfather was discharged, he thanked Dima by giving him these glasses. So Dima sent me 2 copies for examination. I immediately assumed that they were 19, 30, 40 years of work. Unfortunately, they turned out to be larger than necessary for my vintage cup holder. But what an amazing find. And what a story. I'm already excited when Dima digs up the rest of the glasses in Grandpa Grisha's garden. It's like a treasure. I'll be sure to tell you how it turned out.